Top removal as you stand behind the unit. Remove the vent trim. Remove 2 number 2 Phillips head screws. Hold the top panel to the side panel. Remove the top, now slide it forward and lift up. Just take a peek. Here's a keyhole right there and keyhole. Okay, we've already demonstrated how to disconnect the top, and we're going to take the top, bring it slightly forward, disconnect the ground wire, remember to reconnect the ground wire. Slowly flip the top over. To replace the top, we must disengage the elements. There are 2 screws in each cross member in the front, 2 screws in each cross member in the back. When you remove the cross members, you won't know what position the element is in. There's numbers, but the best thing to do is take a Sharpie and scribe them. So when you put them back in, they will make the heat at the circle that's on the top side of the cooktop. Additionally, don't forget to reconnect your ground wire. It is the most important wire on the range.